Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can select custom player and a different team for a practice arena. So what you'll need to do is go straight to the settings right here, settings icon, and right here what you'll need to do is go to your profile, go profile manager, and right here select your favorite team. So select the team your favorite player is, or if you want to play that player. So let's say Portugal, and right here select a club, your favorite club, and let's select random club for now, like this one. And here, if we go back, let's go back again. Here, go to the team sheets, and you'll see all the players of the clubs. So select one of those. As you can see, you'll see a team sheet and you'll see players. So you can edit the reserves and etc. using buttons. So let's say I want to play as Quenda. As you can see, this is in the game. Okay, let's put Quenda right here. And let's go back. And right here now we need to go to practice arena. And then I will show you how you can choose it. So let's go to learn to play, practice arena, and then as you can see there's a lot of players right here. So one of those players is Quenda. You need to find it. So let's say I want to take this player, put it right here, and you can delete this player by clicking on circle icon or B icon. And that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to play on different player and different team in practice arena. So thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.